How do I check the operating system in Python? I want to check the operating system on the computer where the script runs. I know I can use os.system uname in Linux, but it gives me a message in the console, and I want to write to a variable. It will be okay if the script can tell if it is Mac, Windows or Linux. How can I check it?
You can use sys.platform. Sys.platform has finer granularity than sys.name. For the valid values, consult the documentation. See also the answer to what OS am I running on.
If you want to know on which platform you are on out of Linux, Windows, or Darwin, Mac, without more precision, you should use the platform.system function uses uname internally.
You can get a pretty coarse idea of the OS you're using by checking sys.platform. Once you have that information, you can use it to determine if calling something like os.uname is appropriate to gather more specific information. You could also use something like Python system information on Unix like OSIS, or Pywin32 for Windows. There's also Sutil if you want to do more in-depth inspection without wanting to care about the OS.
More detailed information are available in the platform module.